Assalamualaikum boss. Ada engine support 2 volt. Okay, sawa-sawa rubber complete, washer on this, and main hydraulic hose, connector and bolt arbaho, and 7 pieces bill housing bolt, and 6 pieces ada coupling rubber bolt, and 2 hose clip, old rubber coupling, old. Yung cabin, yung makina, yung nabigata. So ito lang po yung mas maganda yung tape na to. Ito lang yung tatanggalin nyo, yung dito, yung counterweight. Kasi yung counterweight, 2 bolt lang. Yun, maano na, pwede mo nang kunin yung oil seal coupling sa sira yung coupling nito eh. So, di ba? Easy lang yung paggawa. Yun. Walang basic lang. So, yun lang. Salamat. Sana nakatulong.